Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Geneva, and on this channel I offer lifestyle content. Think beauty, fashion, travel, whatever fun thing is going on in my life is what I love to share with you guys. If it's something that you vibe with, then please consider subscribing to my channel and coming back often. If you love fashion, today is going to be a fun one. We are unboxing two new items that I got from Coach that I think are going to be my go-tos for spring and summer. So let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, this is a true unboxing. I purchased these items online through Bloomingdale's. If you've been here a while, you know how much I love Bloomingdale's. So they had the bag and the matching shoes. So that's what I went with. I was looking in my closet and I realized that I needed more summer bags. So here is the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so we can get started. All right, the first item that I want to open up is on top. So this is the bag I got, and let's go ahead and take it out the bags and then we'll talk about what it is. Okay, so this cutie right here is the Brooklyn Shoulder 34 in the color maple. This is a straw bag, and it does say that there is a leather on it as well, which I'm thinking is just from the Coach tag right here. The letters feel like they are made from wood, so it just says Coach New York, and this is what it looks like. This has a 11-inch drop right here, and I'm just looking at her and I'm in love. I saw people online complaining about the material, so I'm just going over it to make sure I don't see anything that is start to come undone. And I don't. So, oh, I'm so happy that I got this. How cute is this? Think about this, me on the beach or in the summer with this. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. I am going to go back and try it on so that way you can see what it looks like on a mid-size frame. I'm usually like a size 12. So, but just right now, it's the perfect drop, and it feels like it's the perfect size. It's not too big and it's not too small. And then the opening, I love that it has a magnetic closure on the bag. So you can see that right here. I'll take this off and then you'll see that it has that closure on the inside. It came with a dust bag, stuffing, check that out, and then it looks like care instructions for the bag as well. The opening is just a really big opening there. You'll see there's no pockets or anything on the inside, which would have been really nice. And then you'll see that it has the serial number and also the Coach patch on it. So yeah, a really simple bag that I think is going to be perfect for the spring and the summer. And this brown color I just think is so delicious and will go with so many things that you're wearing this summer. So I'm really happy with this bag. So when I was looking up this bag, I saw that it was available in two different sizes, in a 28 and also a 34. I went with the 34 just so I could fit as many things as possible in this bag. And I felt like the drop on this would look really good against my size. They also have this available in 4 different colors. Of course, this delicious chocolate brown. And I was contemplating between this and the rainbow one. The rainbow one is chef's kiss. It's so gorgeous, but I'm basic and I want my shoes and my bag to match. And the rainbow one did not have a matching shoe. So ultimately this one out, and I'm happy that it did because I feel like I will be able to pair this with more things. It also came in an olive green and also a natural color. I didn't really care for those, so that's why this was the ultimate winner. This bag retails for $295, and you might think it's a straw bag. Is it worth it? And to that I say, is anything really worth it? So honestly, it's up to you. Around this time of the season, designer bags are going to start coming out. You could pay upwards of thousands of dollars for a raffia straw bag. So it's really whether or not you feel the vibes and it's connected to you or not. I think it's worth it. I think it's it's really great size. The overall look and feel of this one, it looks really good. I don't see any straw coming undone. It's a perfect bag also to travel with if you're going to be a plane and you just need to fold it up. You could do that. So I think it's worth it. Okay, so here is the bag on me for reference. I am 5'7" in height. I'm a mid-sized girl, so I wear a size 12, and this is what it looks like. There is enough room with the drop that I can open the bag, fumble around, and get whatever I need in it. So I think that's perfect. I don't have to take the bag off in order to get inside of it. I absolutely love that, and the magnetic closure makes it absolute perfection. So this is what it looks like on me. It's hitting below my waist, and if you're not really into logos but you like the design of the bag, you can just flip it around and boom, you have a plain bag and no one knows what brand that you are wearing. It looks so good. I did also want to mention that I saw Coach is going to be releasing this same bag, but in beads. It's so gorgeous, and it has pink in it too. So if that's something that you're interested in, you're contemplating maybe between the two, you might want to wait until the bead one is released to make a decision. Now it's time to get into the shoes. So here in my hand, I am holding the Coach Brynn Raffia Sandal. So you'll see it has the raffia here, the Coach C is right here, and also on the upper part of the shoe. There are two ways to get into this shoe, or to adjust the sizing on the shoe. You have the strap right here, so it's such an easy, good slip-on shoe. And the back, you can adjust that as well. And the front, the same way. This has a cushion sole, so it feels really nice and squishy. I think this is going to be the perfect summer shoe. Now all we need to do is figure out whether or not this fits. I am a true 9.5, so I purchased this in a 9.5, and I have a wide foot, so we're going to see whether or not these work out well for wide feet. And just looking at it, it appears so. This is what the shoe looks like from the side profile, and I'll grab the bag so that way you can see how perfectly they match. Okay, so here's the bag and the matching shoe. I'm so glad that I own these because they are just perfection together, and they're gonna look so good in all my summer and my spring outfits. All right, let's go ahead and try the shoe on. Okay, I have both shoes on, so before I pan down, I just wanna let you guys know that the 9.5 fits perfect, so I do believe that these shoes are true to size, and I also think that they are wide foot friendly. Okay, so here are the shoes and what they look like on my feet. I'm a true 9.5, so I feel like I could have gone up to a 10, but the 9.5 are perfect. This is what they look like from the side. I don't think they look too big or bulky. The Coach Brynn Raffia Sandal retails for $185. You can also get this in 7 different finishes that I could find online. So they had a gorgeous canvas, they had pink, jean, black, and the black one had 2 different hardware finishes. So the C would be available in either a silver or a gold, which I think is just perfection. What I like about these shoes is that you can dress them up or dress them down. They are perfect for casual wear, but also you could wear these to a nice dinner. This particular shoe comes in 2 different styles as well. So you have the gorgeous strappy one, but they also just released a thong pair too, which I think are really cute, and they're on my radar for next. Now that I have unboxed both of the items and tried them on, I just want to give you my overall first impressions. As far as the Brooklyn bag, my pros, I love the richness of the color. I like the slouchiness of the bag. It just seems so perfect for the spring and the summer, and it seems like a really easy to go bag. My major con would be that it's not lined and there are no pockets on the inside. I like the magnetic closure. I think it's just easy to get in and out of the bag. I wish there was a pocket on the back or somewhere, especially for this price point, but I'm not gonna cry about it. I knew what I was getting into when I purchased this bag, but I think those changes would make the bag even better. Now, let's talk about the shoes. I don't really have any cons for the shoes. Just based on my first impressions, I love the look, the style, and I just think it's a gorgeous shoe. It fits me perfectly, and yeah, I really, really like them. overall, I am extremely happy with my purchases and that I've added these new pieces into my wardrobe. If you have the Brynn Raffia shoe or in any other style, comment down below and let us know how the sizing has worked out for you. Or if you have the Brooklyn shoulder bag in the straw, let us know if it's holding up well or if you had to return it. I'm interested to know your thoughts on these pieces. If you like this video, like this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and coming back often. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.